Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. You are going to notice that we are in a different bed today because I am on vacation for my birthday in Colombia. But I wanted to make sure that you got your yoga classes this week. So here we are. Make your way into a comfortable seated position. Rest your arms, close your eyes, and lift your shoulders all the way up to your ears, and now roll them back and down. Let's do that again. So lift the shoulders, roll them back and down, and really take your time. Let's lift the shoulders again, roll them back and down. And now let's lift the shoulders and roll them front and down. And I want you to do that 2 more times. Extend your arms up towards the ceiling. I want you to interlace your fingers so that the palms are facing up. I want you to look up, arch your back, lean back, and now reach forward with the hands, pressing the hands forward, pulling your chin in towards your chest. Let's turn our body to the right, continuing to round your spine. And now let's go to the left, pushing the palms forward, rounding the back a little bit more. Come back to center. And reach up again, look up, look back, reach back, arch the back, and round your spine, pressing the palms forward. Again, we come back up. Take a big inhale in through the nose, exhale, twist to the right, placing your left hand on top of your right knee and looking over that right shoulder. Maybe you feel a little crack in your back or your torso. Let's reach up again. Take an inhale, exhale, twist to the left this time. Let's come back to center, reaching up again, and bring your hands to heart center. Take an inhale in through the nose and let it out through your mouth. Now you can grab your pillow. We're going to place it the long way in front of us, coming into a forward fold. And you can rest your head on your hands or your pillow. And if you need a bit of extra support, you can use 2 or 3 pillows here.
You went away straight from high school. You up and left me. We were close friends, awesome love.
And now let's come back up. We're going to straighten both of our legs out to the side, coming into our straddle position. I'm going to grab one more pillow just to give myself some extra support here. And we're going to go back into our forward fold, and you can place that opposite cheek on your hands or your pillow.
You and the days we used to share. It's driving me crazy. I don't know what to do. I'm just wondering if you still.
Let's come back up, and I'm actually going to place both of my pillows on my right leg and come into a forward fold over that right leg, just resting my right cheek on the backs of my palms. And now let's switch sides.
can put you in a log cabin somewhere in Aspen. Girl, ain't nothing to the pain, ain't tricking if you got it, what you asking.
You can put your pillows to the side. And we're going to come back into that forward fold, walking the hands forward. And let's flex our toes here so that we can really feel a good stretch. Come back up as you close your legs together and go back into your forward fold. Maybe grabbing for the feet or the toes, relaxing your head, your neck, and your shoulders. Come back into a cross-legged position. Circle your arms up overhead, reaching up and back. Maybe drop your head back and hands come to heart center. Take a big inhale in through the nose and let it out. Thank you so much for practicing with me today during my birthday week. I hope that you really enjoyed class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.